Welcome to Vimeo's winter release. We've launched some amazing new features over the past few months, giving special focus to making team collaboration a breeze. We're also committed to speeding up those workflows and making video management and sharing easier than ever. And heads up, video pros, you're going to love the update to our Adobe Premiere Pro integration. Let me show you. Vimeo's got a fresh new look and feel. It's now simpler than ever to navigate the platform and find what you need. We've also made it way easier to organize your team's videos and keep collaborations running smoothly. You'll see 3 separate spaces now. Team Library for any shared videos, Shared with Me for content your teammates have shared with you, and My Library for your own personal videos. Enterprise users can now broadcast live virtual events much longer than before. No more time limits or interruptions. You can stream 24/7. Keep in mind, this does require streaming with RTMP. We're not saying that you should stream for a full week straight, but technically you could. Just remember to hydrate. Do you edit your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro? Our refreshed integration now lets you sync reviewers' time-coded comments from Vimeo right onto your timeline in Premiere Pro. And when you've got a new video version ready, export and upload it straight to Vimeo automatically. Your entire Vimeo library is handy right from within Premiere. Plus, it works with SSO. This is a game changer. Before, Vimeo's video editing tool and our text-based trimmer were in 2 separate places, but now we've combined them. That means you get access to traditional video editing, plus the ability to edit videos like you would edit a written document, all in the same spot. It's more efficient and you get a ton of creative control. Vimeo Enterprise users, your IT and security admins are going to love this. We've got new security features that let admins manage user sessions with custom time limits, plus force logouts for SSO. You can also restrict where the videos inside your Vimeo account can be shared based on their role. It's a setting your team can't change, so rest assured your content stays locked down. Audit logs have gotten a serious upgrade too. Now you'll get way more details in your logs and you can easily filter the data to find exactly what you need. Plus, you can download it as a CSV or even automatically send it to another platform using our API. For our business-minded users monetizing content with Vimeo OTT, we've added support for LGTV and Vizio TV apps. Now you can get your content onto even more screens, reaching a ton more viewers. And don't worry, we still support all the usual suspects like iOS, Android, and a bunch more. All right, that's the scoop on our latest updates. Check out all the details and give them a try. Thank you so much.